Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, some interesting facts have happened. First of all, the recovery to 102,000 from Bitcoin got a lot of people excited, especially on Twitter. I was noticing a lot of positive sentiments as people were expecting the price to climb even higher. While there was a little bit of a sell-off and then the panic started to settle, and let's just say now the sentiment has turned into a fact that maybe the breakout that we received might have been a fake out and maybe we are going lower. There's a lot to cover today, but before we get into that, I just want to show you something interesting. As compared to what happened about 72 hours ago, the price that Bitcoin is sitting on right now is a lot more healthier. I know the US and China trade war is going to be affecting the crypto market heavily, and right now there is a lot of uncertainty, but at the end of the day, 98,000, as we know, is one of the strongest support Bitcoin has at the moment. And if it's able to consolidate what it's been doing from last 7 to 8 hours, there is a very strong chance that we will be able to recover. On the other end, Elon Musk asked if Doge should audit the IRS. This would be huge, and Dogecoin lands on a crucial support as the US dollar index signals a Bitcoin surge. Dogecoin price could hit $1.25 even before May, and 5 experts on what's next for Bitcoin amid the Trump trade war with other countries. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While there, slap a like on the video, just update the algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I just want to show you something interesting. If you guys have been looking at the way the Bitcoin price has been moving, it's very clear to see that there is a lot of uncertainty, especially due to the fact that how everything is moving. So this was pretty much when the tariffs were announced. Then there was a little bit of recovery when Mexico and Canada were not going to be getting the tariff. After that, there was a little bit of sell-off from probably people taking profit and having fear. But now the next run up or down will be dependent on what kind of move China is going to do. Now, if you guys do not know, China has already announced that they are planning of putting some tariffs on, let's just say, the US made goods, and that can definitely have a negative impact on the crypto market. Now, keep in mind, if we are going to be falling short of 98,000, which we did about 4 hours ago, but if this recovery does not sustain itself and actually does not go into a consolidation phase, very strong chance that we might actually go all the way down to 95 and consolidate there. But if we do break below 92,000, I'm just giving you all the scenarios in terms of what can play out. I'm very optimistic about the crypto market, but I like to give an honest review in terms of what I personally feel. If we do break below 92, there is a very strong chance that we might actually fall all the way down to 72,000, because that's the only next support which is a strong support. Yes, there is a little bit of a support around, you can say, 80k, but 72k is going to be the next big support that will be able to sustain the price. Talking about the Dogecoin price on the other end, it's pretty much mirroring exactly what Bitcoin is doing, but Dogecoin price is not sitting on any strong support as Bitcoin. Bitcoin on 98,000 is actually a lot stronger support than a lot of people see. But there are some extremely important news coming out. First of all, SEC downsizes its crypto enforcement unit under the Trump administration. It's unclear how restructuring will affect the existing legal proceeding, but the restructuring just means efforts to promote the crypto growth and reduce the regulatory oversight. So just reducing the amount of people looking over the crypto enforcement clearly suggests that crypto is going to be, you know, in a little bit of a free roll when it comes to what they are able to do and what kind of regulations it would have to face inside of the US. And let's just say, as Trump announced or mentioned that he wants crypto to do well he is definitely doing that. On the other end, Elon Musk asked if the Doge should audit the IRS. Now, if they do this, this would be huge because a lot of people will be taken off guard, as IRS does a lot of things by themselves, and Doge is a new firm which is obviously trying to cut down on the spendings and what's happening in the whole government. If they do decide to put their nose into the IRS, I don't know what kind of impact it would have on the entire, the industry and also just the entire country in general. And Dogecoin lands on a crucial support. As I mentioned, the support is not 26 cents. If Doge wants to ensure that it's able to sustain its price, it needs to be close to at least 29 cents, and to be sure that it's able to hold on, it's going to be 32 cents. So that should give you perspective. But other than that, only support that's actually really strong is close to 20 cents. So downturn is not out of the books, and seeing that the open interest is actually not holding really strong, there is a little bit of an uncertainty. The long to the short ratio is still in favor of the long traders and sitting close to 76%. Now, SEC reduces the enforcement and resigning over 50 lawyers working on the crypto cases. This is huge because the amount of people that are resigning from the SEC is definitely going to be making it much easier for the crypto market to do better in the near future. And the US SEC launches a crypto task force website. So as more and more people are pretty much resigning from the SEC, they're also trying to show that they're working towards task force to ensure that people are not getting scammed. And the President Trump's crypto Caesar David says they are evaluating a Bitcoin reserve. This is huge because if they're going to be evaluating a Bitcoin reserve, well, the chances of it happening is much greater. And David says stablecoins have the potential to ensure the US dollar dominance internationally. Now, this is the first time I have seen someone actually say very good things about a stablecoin, because obviously the stablecoins are very heavily dependent on the US dollar, but them actually going out and actually saying something good about it, finally crypto receives some good stuff relating to the stablecoin. But right now, there is a little bit of a happiness wave going around, and Senator Bill introduces a legalization to establish clear regulatory frame for crypto stablecoins. Now, this is where the hypocrisy, you can say, comes in, because it's a little bit confusing what they're trying to say. Because yes, I understand that stable coins are good, it's going to be doing well, it's going to be keeping US a little bit under control, but then also putting some regulatory framework around it. So they're just pretty much trying to have control of stablecoin while stablecoin controls the world. That's just my outcome, and at the end of the day, this is not financial advice. I like to just give you guys my opinion so you have a little bit better understanding what's happening. Publicly traded firm buys 1 million Dogecoin to augment Bitcoin reserve, and US lawmakers form working group to draft crypto rules as Bitcoin reserve plan gains traction. So there's going to be more things happening with crypto, definitely by the entire government very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got a long way to go. Just be very careful if you're going to be leverage trading. If you're very volatile. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.